Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of QuickBooks Online and exploring how to transfer funds from one account to another. Whether you're a small business owner, a bookkeeper, or a financial manager, understanding this process is crucial for accurate record keeping and efficient cash management. So let's get started. Before we jump into the how to, let's first understand why efficient fund transfer matters. By mastering fund transfers in QuickBooks Online, you ensure accurate financial record keeping, maintain clear cash flow visibility, and streamline your reconciliation process. This foundational step sets the stage for effective cash management. To begin, let's log into your QuickBooks Online account and click on New button here and then Transfers. In the fund transfer screen, you will need to specify the source account from which you are transferring funds and the destination account where the funds will be deposited. QuickBooks Online provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to select the accounts from a drop-down menu. Once you have selected the source and destination accounts, it is time to enter the transfer details. This includes specifying the transfer amount, any additional information or notes related to the transfer, and the date on which transfer occurred or will occur. QuickBooks Online ensures accuracy and completeness in your fund transfer entries. After you have entered all the information, click on Save and Close. In some cases, fund transfers may incur bank fee or involve currency exchange. QuickBooks Online allows you to record these additional details to maintain accurate financial records. It is important to remember that once the fund transfer is complete, it is important to reconcile the transfer fund from your bank statements. QuickBooks Online simplifies this process by providing tools to match the transferred amount with the corresponding transactions on your bank statement. And there you have it. You have now mastered the fund transfers in QuickBooks Online. By efficiently moving money between accounts, you ensure accurate record keeping and efficient cash management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more business tips and tricks. As always, thank you for watching.